here on Barry's Granville. Last time we did note we had a leaky radiator. It is out. It's right here on the floor. Made some phone calls. We're gonna get this copper brass one repaired, but the cost on that, one, it was exuberant because it's copper brass. Two, no one sells a replacement copper brass. So we went with a 3-row aluminum as opposed to a 4-row copper brass, because this will actually cool better. But just doing a little interchange, swap it out, pops right into the spot where this was. Just gotta get her back on the road so Barry can enjoy her again. Right, new radiator in, situated. Got coolant in her, all of our lines, everything's hooked up. Gonna fire the car up, get her up to temperature, let it burp, and then top off the cooling system, top off the puke tank, and Barry's good. All right, happy camper. Up a little bit, we're done.